Let's use Copilot, the free version, to help us create a LinkedIn profile. So I'm going to launch Copilot, the free version. In the search bar, type in Copilot and click on Apps. Notice that I have two applications listed here. This one without the Microsoft M365 on it. This is the free version. If you don't see it, go ahead and download it from Microsoft Store. Let's just so you take a look. This version will require a Microsoft 365 subscription. Either it's the personal plan, business, academics, or a enterprise subscription. So I'm going to go and click on the free version. Okay, let's set the stage here. So this is the free version. And the first thing I want you to do is notice your profile down here at the bottom. This time around, I do have my Gmail account. It could be your Outlook.com, Hotmail.com, Live.com email clients, because those are the free versions. I also want you to take a look at the permission settings. Notice under the permission settings, I see file search and file read. I would enable these just because you wanted to allow Copilot access the local files to be able to retrieve files for you. Change which files can be seen within the windows, right? So you wanted it to be able to read files so you can give and generate better responses. For an example, let's say that you had your resume on your drive. Now, let me open up Windows Explorer, File Explorer. Copilot would only read the Documents folder, Pictures folder, Music, and Videos. Any other folders that you may have, it will not read those folders. For example, all of these here are on an external drive, not even OneDrive. Copilot also can provide you quick responses. Do you want something very general, which is only going to take 2 or 3 seconds, or think deeper, which is going to take a little bit longer to generate. And now they have the deep research that may take 10 minutes to actually process, depending on what type of information that you are collecting. I'm going to stay on the 2 to 3 second option. And let's launch it. I could start a new conversation. Notice the icon here. That icon is also up here in the left navigation. You can upload a file if you like, or take screenshots. And my favorite part is I'm going to have a conversation with Copilot.
Hey, Teresa.
Hi, I am actually creating a LinkedIn profile. Can you help me pull information from my website, which is www.trackcreationsfoре.com. I am a certified trainer that like to help businesses boost their productivity by teaching them how to use Microsoft 365 products properly.
Got it. Well, your LinkedIn profile could highlight your role as a Microsoft certified trainer, focusing on teaching businesses how to properly use Microsoft 365 products to boost productivity. I'd suggest mentioning your tailored training programs, emphasizing your skills in improving efficiency and user adoption. Let's make sure it captures your expertise and unique approach. Does that sound like a plan?
That sounds like plans. Can you go ahead and create me a mission statement that I can post?
Sure thing. How about this? Empowering businesses to unlock their full potential through expert training and innovative solutions in Microsoft 365. At Track Creations 4E, we transform productivity by equipping teams with the tools and knowledge to thrive in the modern workplace. How does that resonate with you?
Let me take a look at it, and I'll come back to you. So now what I want to do is, based on his suggestions here, I want to actually read it and make sure this is something that I want to include, and I can make any changes to this if I like. So notice here under create a new page, I want to take this, create a new page. Notice in the left navigation, I have my pages and I have my conversations. And so I'm going to look here and let's look and see if I like this and make any changes. So for me, this sounds okay. I would go ahead and use this, but you can see I can easily make changes here. And I'm going to go back to the conversation.
So how's that mission statement looking to you?
That looked really great. Can you help me with creating a banner that may have like Microsoft 365 logos and a picture of me with that statement on it? Can you help me with that?
I can't design graphics directly, but I can definitely guide you. Use a professional photo of yourself, make sure the Microsoft 365 logos are clearly visible, and place the mission statement prominently. A clean minimalist design works best. How does that sound?
That sounds good. Let me see what I can do with that. So I'm going to close this conversation. And based on what he shared with me here, I'm going to just highlight it, copy it, and say, create a LinkedIn profile banner. I'm also going to upload a photo of me. And process it and see what I get. So again, I like the fact that I can have a conversation with Copilot. Before we were just dictating it. I'm usually here in my office late nights, and my daughter would get up in the middle of the night saying, "Mom, who are you talking to?" And I would say Copilot, because we were actually having a conversation. The one thing that I do miss, I wish that I would see a caption while he's talking, because it helps me process the information instead of stopping the conversation, review it, read it, and then come back to start a conversation. So hopefully we see something different. Now, I do see that Copilot is generating something for me. Let's go ahead and give it a little bit more time to showcase the image. While it's processing that, notice here that you do not want to interrupt it from producing your image. So keep that in mind. Give it a little time. I do see that it is pulling up some of Microsoft 365 logos for me automatically. I did not provide that. I do see that my images is being a little bit of a AI generated, which, you know, for my thoughts are, I want the first draft and take a look at it, because now I could actually recreate it with my own picture. I could easily, you know, said, "Hey, give you that information to me and I'll add my own picture later." So that's, you know, an idea for you, because clearly that is not me. So, but nevertheless, I got a, you know, feel of what it will look like. I'm going to also ask Copilot, what type of information should I post on my LinkedIn page?
Teresa, what's new on your mind today?
So can you, now that I have my mission statement completed and a banner, I'm struggling with what type of information should I post, you know, maybe twice a week on my page, and give me a clear example of a post. Can you do that?
Definitely. Share tips on Microsoft 365 tools or insights on industry trends. A sample post could look like this. Unlock the full potential of Microsoft Teams with these top collaboration hacks. Boost your team's productivity by exploring less-known features like app mentioning, custom backgrounds, and integrating third-party apps for seamless workflows. Let's make collaboration a breeze. Hashtag Microsoft 365, hashtag Teams tips. What do you think?
All right, let me take a look at it. So again, one of the things that you want to do is review this information as well as fact check it. Make sure that it is correct. Notice how this is in a sentence format. I'm going to give it a little bit more context.
All right, let me know if you need more ideas or want to brainstorm together.
Okay, I really want a blog post that is user-friendly, speak like a human and not AI. And if you can give any suggestions and use bullet points for me, please.
Sure thing. Keep it conversational and engaging. Here's a user-friendly blog post structure. Start with a relatable hook. Share a personal anecdote or common scenario to draw readers in.
Let me interrupt you. I want you to actually give me an example of a post, not tell me what to include, but I want to see an actual post.
Got it. Here's an example of a user-friendly blog post. Title: Mastering Microsoft Teams, a quick guide for every user. Hey there. If you're diving into Microsoft Teams, you're in the right place. Let's make teamwork a breeze with these simple tips. Get organized with channels. Keep conversations focused by creating channels for different projects or teams. Use @mentions. Grab attention by mentioning teammates with so no one misses out. Embrace integrations. Connect your favorite apps for a smoother workflow. Give these a try and watch your productivity soar. Hashtag Microsoft Teams, hashtag productivity hacks. What do you think?
All right, let me take a look. So here is giving me an example. Again, I can open it up in a new page because for me, I would never say, let's make a teamwork a breeze. So I would probably make some changes here. But again, I got a great first draft. So what do you think? Copilot is your personal assistant. You saw it in action from start to end, how we brainstormed and came up with some ideas for a LinkedIn profile as well as a couple of blog posts. Now, give it a try. Go work your magic.